guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Pita. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chip family. Today we're starting off the day at Home Goods. I love Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. That's no surprise. I came to Home Goods because if you have been following me for a while now, you know that I've been in the hunt for a mirror for my beauty room. I am really picky when it comes to stuff like to decorating. So I've seen a lot of mirrors, but not the one that I want. So today I was determined to come to Home Goods and try to look for a mirror that I really like. And after Home Goods, we're gonna go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I need to go somewhere because I am determined, guys, determined to find that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and compare it to an original one. I just have to find it. So the mirror and the concealer are the goal for today. So let's go ahead into Home Goods and let's get the day started. Okay, so we're here at Home Goods, so let's see what we can find. Okay, I've shown you guys before, but a lot of you guys have asked me where you can find an impression vanity mirror. Home Goods always has them and they're only $16.99. So for the impression vanity ones, they're $16.99 here at Home Goods. I get distracted very easily and I love the flip top mirror storage card, but look how much it is. Like, I love you, but why do you have to be so expensive? I found this one for $99, but look, it's cracked. Like, why? Why is it cracked? I really like this one, and then I found another one. Where is it? That one right there is 80. This one is 82. Why would I pay 80 for the small one when I can pay 80 for the big one? Huh? Smart shopping. And then I found this one. Oh, this one is gorgeous. This is like the one that I really want. It's $140. It's on clearance for $140. So now I'm debating if I should take the $140 or the 81, because the 81 is cheap. But the $140, it's a little bit expensive, but it's gonna be worth it more because it's huge. So I'm just trying to decide which one I'm gonna take. $59.99 for this one. This is the type of plants that I want in my beauty room. Guys, my beauty room is gonna be so lit and so transformed. You guys are gonna be shocked, especially when I tell you how much I spend on everything, because I like to spend like money, but not too much. Like, see, that one is super cute. $40. And then this little table too. Oh my god, I love Home Goods, but it leaves me like broke, honestly. Like, I'm already broke and coming here leaves me more broke. But I can't wait till my beauty room is like 100% complete. I left Home Goods and I did not get the mirror. Here's why. So the mirror was originally $150, $149.99, right? And it had a big crack at the very corner in the bottom of the mirror, and they had only taken $10 off. And I asked the lady, I'm like, is there any way like it can be like 120 or like 100 even, since it does have like a big crack in the mirror? And she said no, the lowest is going is 140. So I was like, why am I gonna spend 140 for a mirror that was 150 with a big crack and the difference is only $10? So I was like, I'll just wait for a better deal to come up or a better mirror that I can find later on in the long run. So I'm outside of Marshalls because you guys know that I need to find the fake Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, someone found a fake concealer from Tarte, and I really want to see what the real tea is about. And if I find one, I want to go to Ulta and buy one from there and then compare both of them to see if it really is fake or not, to know what's really been going on. So yeah, I really need to find the concealer, plus I need to do a little shopping around Marshalls, so let's go. Alright guys, so here in Marshalls, I'm just gonna do a little shopping and try to find the concealer. But if I find something in the makeup aisle that's like really good, then I'll give you guys like a sneak peek or show you guys what's new here. Since I'm not really filming a makeup steals and deals, I don't want to show you guys like the makeup like I usually do. But if I find something pretty interesting, I'll for sure show you guys. Okay, so I found this small drawer organizer instead of 3, and I'm gonna take this. I don't know if any of you guys struggle with like, but literally all my brows and panties are like everywhere. So I think I might take this one. Seems pretty interesting. It might keep me organized, and it's only $3. I think I am gonna take this one for sure. I really like it. Alright guys, they don't have any new stuff. Literally everything they have, I have showed you guys already. The only new thing I see is this by Bite, but I already showed you guys in the last video. And then these Kat Von D Lock-It concealers. Everything else is pretty much the same. I was really looking for the Tarte one, but I didn't find it. So now we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, see if we can find better stuff there, because here they have pretty much everything the same. It's such a pretty day outside, guys. It's so gloomy. I like this type of weather. Does anyone like this type of weather? I left Marshalls because because they didn't have what I was looking for, and now my boyfriend is driving to TJ Maxx because you guys know I am determined to find that concealer. It's literally like down the street, so I was like, might as well go. I'm gonna show you guys my purse because I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about it, so I'm gonna go into detail. All right, this is what my purse looks like. It's such a pretty pink color. The camera's just doing no justice to this. I promise in person it looks even prettier, the pink color. So I really like this purse because you guys know that I'm a mommy, and when I leave my house I'm just like a crazy lady with a bajillion of things in my hands. So this is the perfect size. So Teddy Blake was kind enough to send me this bag, and I really appreciate it. I was honestly very surprised with the quality of these bags. It does even come with a strap so you can put it around your shoulder, and it also comes with a silk bag for you to store your bag in so it won't get damaged and stuff. So I really appreciated that. That was really kind of them. Now I'm gonna be honest, when I got the bag it looks like it's sealed, as you guys can see. I told Jason, I was like, babe, like I think they sent me like the wrong bag, like I can't open it. And then he was like, no wait. So the way you open it is you twist this off here. It looks very complicated but it's not. Then you take this apart here, you take this one apart, you just pull these here, and then you lift this up, and voila, your purse is there. I have Chinese fortune cookies and something else to look in there. But this is what the bag looks like. Inside, can you guys see? That is really good material. That's amazing. I really love it. It's very spacious, but yet it looks like super tiny and compact. That's the thing that I really like about it. And this is the bag. Look, this is the bag that you can store it in. Isn't it super pretty? So you can really take good care of it. I really like it. So if you guys are interested in any of the Teddy Blake purses, I will leave the link down below. I'm not sure if I got a coupon code or not, but if I did, I'll leave it down below also in the description box. And now we're gonna go into TJ Maxx. We just arrived to TJ Maxx. I really hope we can find the concealer, so let's go. Ooh, new purse with the strap. Who it is? Hey, it looks really pretty, guys. I really like it. Okay guys, so in this section right here is usually where I find literally all the high-end, and look how everything is. I look through here, there's like everything again that I see, everything I've showed you guys. I think I'm late to the party. It's 2 p.m. already, so I think everyone might already came and picked everything up because literally there's nothing new. But I also have a feeling they haven't restocked here, but yeah, what a bummer.
So how do you feel that you didn't find anything?
I'm honestly very disappointed, but I have a gut feeling that the Tarte concealer is at another location. But that location, if I try to go right now, guys, you guys don't understand the traffic here in Austin. I'll get stuck there for like 2 hours. So I think I'm gonna just call right now and ask, but I'm very disappointed and very sad. I'm gonna call that location to see if they have it. We'll see. I really hope they do.
Thank you for calling the back. This is Jennifer speaking. How may I help you?
Hi Jennifer, is there any way you could transfer me to the beauty department, please?
Sure, one moment please.
Okay, thank you. I really hope they have it, guys. Oh my god. Should I just say a Tarte concealer, right? Just Tarte concealer. I feel like if I say Tarte Shape Tape, I'm gonna confuse them. Hi, I have a question. By any chance, did you guys receive any Tarte concealers in today?
I'm not sure, but I can go check for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna put you on hold.
It's her, she's gonna put me on hold. She put me on hold already, and she's gonna check. I have like that gut feeling, like something's telling me it's there. But I also might be wrong, just because I'm very determined that I want it. So, we'll see what she says. Ooh, I really hope they do have it. Yes.
Actually, we did not receive any Tarte concealer today.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I have no luck, guys. No luck whatsoever. I'm just very sad. Anyways, but it did give me hope. You guys saw in the last Makeup Steals and Deals that I did find a Tarte packaging. So I'm pretty sure that slowly but surely they're making it into Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So I really hope we find it in another video. Okay, on another note, last time I was on Facebook, I was going through my news feed and I saw this article by Fox 7, and you guys will never believe what the article was saying. The article was saying that an Ulta employee claimed that Ulta was repackaging and reselling used makeup. Not just used makeup, but like hair tools, hair products, fragrance, and makeup. So when I read it, I was so shocked because even I shop at Ulta. But then again, I really thought about it, and it's that she claims So I really want to know if it's true. I know a lot of my pita chips here work at Ulta, so if you're a current employee from Ulta, let me know in the comments down below. I'm pretty sure everyone else would like to know too. Let me know if it is true or is maybe just a rumor that she started, maybe because she got fired or she quit, something like that. We never know. But again, if you work at Ulta, let me know in the comments down below. When I read it, it just really blew my mind because even I shop at Ulta just because I really love the rewards from Ulta. So if you guys do, just make sure to be careful, check your products, make sure that they're literally brand new and not used. But again, if you're a pita chip here and you work at Ulta, let us know all the tea in the comments down below. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because it's already getting pretty late and I still need to edit this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video from today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and like I said, if you're not part of the pita chip family, make sure to subscribe. We are growing so fast, guys, and I am so blessed for every single one of you guys. I love you guys so much, and also thank you so much for those of you guys who have been tweeting me your steals and deals. I retweet them because I think it's like the most cool thing ever that you guys tweeted to me. So if you have yet not followed me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter and tweet me your steals and deals that you find. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.